Are automatic car washes really as effective as advertised? Have you ever heard advertisement that you only need to put your car into the automatic washing system and after a few minutes your car will be clean, fast and without waiting? It sounds very attractive, but the question is automatic car wash really as good as what is being introduced? To answer, we need to look at the actual context. In Vietnam, the number of cars is increasing rapidly, not only in big cities, but also in provinces and towns. The number of private cars is much higher than before, and along with that growth, the need to wash cars has become an essential, regular, and indispensable need. If you have ever taken your car to a traditional shop to wash, you must have had to wait in long line many times, especially on rainy day and muddy day when every car is covered in red dirt. A car sometimes takes an hour to finish, while customers are impatient, workers are in a hurry, and quality is difficult to control, not to mention the complex dependence on workers on day when there are many customers and there are not enough workers. The whole shop is overloaded, and on day when workers suddenly take leave, it is considered to be closed. That is the biggest pain of traditional car wash owner, and that is why automatic car washes were born to completely solve this problem, save time, reduce dependence on human resources, ensure that every car is clean evenly, and have the shop operate more stably. It's compared directly. Manual car wash, of course, still have a certain advantage. Workers can pay attention to every more detail, handle difficult stand in hidden corner, but the disadvantage can be not ignored. Slow, labor-intensive, risk of collision, and the result depend entirely on the skill of each worker. Meanwhile, automatic car wash systems are pre-programmed. A car goes in, goes through, and the following step: high pressure water spray, snow from scrubbing with a specialized brush, washing the undercarriage, cleaning the rims, and finally blow drying. The whole process takes place in a few minutes, is stable and synchronized, and every car that comes out is equally clean. This stability factor is the biggest difference because it helps the owner feel secure about the quality and the customer feel professional and modern. Actual experience shows a very clear difference. A car that has just in the rain, the wheel and undercarriage are covered with mud. If washed manual, it may take 3 to 4 workers nearly an hour, but when put into the automatic washing system, it only takes a few minutes. The car comes out shining, the rims are clean, the undercarriage is clear, and even blow dry immediately. This not only satisfies customers because it is fast and clean, but also makes them feel like they are using the high-class, more modern service than traditional car washes. So is the automatic car wash really as good as advertised? The answer is yes, but with a few notes. It really brings superior speed, stable quality, safe labor, and help manage revenue transparently thanks to the car counting system. It is especially suitable for young customers, business office workers, those who want their car to be cleaned quickly without having to wait. However, it's not a universal solution. For the model to operate effectively, it is necessary to have a suitable location, a stable power source, and especially to combine all the car care service so that interior cleaning, nano cutting, ceramic polishing, even opening a coffee area, waiting room for customers to have a more complete experience. Thus, the automatic car wash is not just a single service, but also the core to build a professional car care business model. If we look more broadly at this trend, the automatic car wash in Vietnam today is similar to the story of washing machine a few decades ago. In the past, many people did not believe that washing machine could replace hand washing, worried that the machines were not as clean as people or would damage clothes. But then over time, everyone had to admit the convenience and efficiency that washing machine brings. And now, hand washing is only a rare habit in a few special cases. Automatic car washes are also on that journey. At first, they may encounter doubt, but sooner or later, they will become the main choice of the majority of customers. In short, automatic car washes are really as good as advertised, but only if you understand them correctly and put them in the right context. It does not completely replace hand washing, but it is certainly an inevitable trend in the future. This is not just the story of a car wash service, but also a change in consumer habits when customers increasingly prioritize convenience, speed, and modernity. If you are still wondering the best way to try it out for yourself, just one visiting a dirty car going in and a few minutes later coming out shiny and dry, you will have the clearest answer for yourself. Is an automatic car wash worth using and investing in or not? If you are interested in upgrading your car wash or want to find a sustainable direction in business, try to learn more about the automatic car wash model. Maybe this is the turning point that changes your success. To see the difference clearly, please contact Go&Go for advice and experience the automatic car wash technology today.